Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's been a minute since we had another water feature video, but we're out here in beautiful Bainbridge Island building, well, we're actually rebuilding most of a waterfall. It just kind of was too much to try to fix, and I'll try to flash some pictures here for you, some before photos, but we're just kind of actually rebuilding it, probably 60% or so. So I'll flip you around here. Here's the guys. Down here working out. It's rock day. Anyway, so we're rebuilding it. Gonna make it pretty sweet. See all the rock we have staged here. A lot of this stuff actually came out. There was just too much rock in the pond, so we're gonna wind up hauling some of it out. But pretty fun project we got going on here. Gonna make this thing tip top. Alrighty, so that's most of the work for day 2 out here. I didn't get to be part of day 1, but I'm not worried about it. Tomorrow, our big focus is going to be this upper pooling area here, reattaching the liner to the older Aquascape Biofalls there, and getting this thing rocked in. So, get her done. What's going on, everybody? Day 3 out here, and we are rocking in the pond. Adam's giving me funny looks. Rocking in the upper pooling area, and we're also going to reattach the liner to the biofalls. So get in here, and this is the old biofalls, older Aquascape biofalls. It's 15 years or so old, so we're going to get the new liner attached to it and reuse this sucker because it's in the ground already. So we'll do that, get the rest of this all plumbed up, and get her going. So we finally have our biofalls reattached to the liner. I'll flip you around and show you what that looks like. So there you go. There's the old biofalls, new liner with new hardware under there. Kind of hard to see. Anyway, so Scott and I are starting to rock in this pond here, and we got a plant from the old pooling area, so it's coming out great. It's gonna be super duper.
Whoa, Nelly! Hey, I'm Scott with Brookside Landscape and Design.
Tell us, Scott, what are you doing over here?
I'm kind of just filling in these edges with dirt to make the edges look real nice. And then we're just gonna fold back this liner and disguise it some more with rocks and dirt and then bark, and it'll look perfect.
Super. Alright, so we're finally wrapped up out here. By the way, I really love my job because it's every day I get to embrace Western Washington and really just the spirit of the state. You know, evergreens, the Olympics. It's kind of where I grew up. It's really cool. I love working outside. So anyway, enough about me. We're finally done. It turned out really cool, really great. I'm really happy with how a lot of it turned out. I mean, there was always like a afterthought, like, hey, I wish I changed that, but you know what? Next time, right? So I'm gonna flip you guys around here and show you what we got. So here's the pooling area down here. This is the only thing we didn't touch today or during this project, except for the biofalls. Little fountain there in the middle. It doesn't quite work, but gonna go up the falls here. Take it for a little trip. So yeah, we're all done. Finally wrapped up. Guys are out of here. I'm just here filming, but I really love these projects. They're super fun. It's just water features in general awesome. Oh, anyway, until next time.